Okay, traders, we're viewing the IWF, that's the Growth 1000 ETF index. We're coming back up. There's the upper trend line. We hit a bottom and we have an update today. Once again, it's very diversified ETF. There's 1,000 companies and they're growth companies. And we watch it very carefully to see if we start to take out resistance to the upside. Today is an up day. It's October. We're going to have volatility, both up and down. Today is up, but we feature the best diversified ETF for risk management purposes. We always do. This is that one because it's so diversified, period. So one thing that we do like is the upper trend line. Okay, we do like that we had the bottom, it wouldn't break support, and then it has its first update from yesterday. It was negative, but it starts with a gap, and that's how they have to do it. There's, it's got work, but it's the best. We only work with the best. And we're sitting right there at this trend line at resistance. We can see it clearly, but we feature the best. We see higher highs.